Have you ever wondered what our planet looked like billions of years ago? Imagine standing on a world so alien, it feels like another planet entirely. Imagine a world vastly different from our own. A place where the air was thick with volcanic gases, and the sky was painted in hues of red and orange. 2 billion years in the past, the Earth was a very different place. Earth was in its Proterozoic eon, a time when life was just beginning to take hold, a time of significant change and development. Volcanic eruptions were common, and the first oceans were starting to form. Let's embark on a journey back to this ancient Earth. We wouldn't recognize much. The continents were forming, shifting, and colliding in ways that are hard to imagine. But they were not in the same places we know today. Imagine a giant landmass, a supercontinent that would eventually break apart to form the continents we are familiar with, vastly different from our modern continents. The landscapes were barren, rocky, and dominated by volcanic activity. This was a world in the making, a planet still in its infancy, shaping itself into the Earth we know today. The atmosphere was alien as well. Forget breathing. Oxygen, so crucial to us, was scarce. Instead, the air was thick with nitrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide. This toxic mix created a hazy greenhouse effect. The sun, though dimmer, heated the planet. It was a hot, unforgiving environment. Yet, even here, life found a way. The Earth's crust was restless, constantly in motion, driven by the immense forces beneath the surface. Volcanoes erupted with tremendous force, spewing molten lava and toxic gases into the atmosphere, shaping the land in dramatic ways. The oceans, much hotter than today, were shallow and spread across vast areas, creating a unique and dynamic marine environment. These were not the calm blue oceans we know today. They were a murky green, teeming with iron and other minerals, supporting a different kind of life. The continents, constantly shifting due to tectonic activity, crashed together and pulled apart, creating new landscapes and altering the face of the Earth over millions of years. In this alien world, life was simple, microscopic. Tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, floated in the primordial soup of early Earth. These were the first forms of life, existing in a world that was vastly different from the one we know today. Single-celled organisms, called cyanobacteria, thrived in the oceans. These tiny architects of life were the first to harness the power of the sun, using it to fuel their existence in a process that would change the world forever. They were pioneers, the first to use sunlight to create energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This remarkable process, known as photosynthesis, allowed them to convert sunlight into chemical energy, laying the foundation for life as we know it. This process, photosynthesis, slowly began to change the Earth's atmosphere. The oxygen they produced started to accumulate, transforming the air and the environment in ways that would eventually support more complex organisms. Over millions of years, oxygen levels rose, paving the way for more complex life forms. This gradual increase in oxygen was crucial, as it enabled the development of diverse and intricate ecosystems, leading to the rich tapestry of life we see today. It was a turning point in our planet's history. The rise of oxygen marked the beginning of a new era, one where life could flourish in ways previously unimaginable. This monumental shift set the stage for the evolution of all living creatures, including us.